Hello guys, now we are in the forest here in Grading. We're searching my target job in an industrial company because I have no driver's license here and I have to be fluent in German first before I get this. But now we're searching my walk about 5.5 kilometers. Now we reached the 3 kilometers already, so we have more 2.5 kilometers. We just passed by to the forest. Oh my goodness, how tired I am now. There's a uphill, downhill. Oh my God. Oh, Diyos ko Lord, hindi bihirong lakad ito. Layo. Ayan o. Puro forest ang nilakad namin. Wala ka makikitang bahay ni isa. Ay. Tapos, pag napasok ko tong work na to, hihiram pa ba kayo sa akin? 5.5 to walk. Ano pa lang yun? One way. Two way. Two ways, it's 11 kilometers. My God. Oh, lawit dila ako guys. Kung wala kang tubig na dala, matutuyuan ka. Now we reached the high level already. But it's still a long walk. Oh my God. Si Habi nagtanggal na ng t-shirt sa init sa pawis. Sa init ng araw. Uy, init. Now we see the houses. Ay. It's too far. It's not a joke, guys. This is not easy to walk, but I will try to manage this for the sake of my goal in life. Okay. We're approaching the place, guys. Yeah. Imagine yung nilakad namin. Nakapaikot ng farm at saka forest. Oh. Yeah, I told them it's not a joke. This is reality. This is reality, guys. Ay, ang layo pa din kahit malapit na. Alam nyo yung salitang bundok sa atin. Ayun, malapit na. Pero yung ayun pala, ang layo pa. Diyos ko Lord, ano kayang titignan ni Habi dito? Ayan o, dami. Mga prutas daw yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong tawag sa mga yan.
This is called Hopfen.
What's that?
This is like the spice that you put to the beer. Yeah?
To the beer?
Hopfen, yeah. This is for
okay.
beneath malt water. You put
Yeah.
this Hopfen,
Yeah.
and then this gives the beer the special taste.
Okay. Andito na kami, guys. Malapit na kami, guys. Ayan. Ayun, doon kami sa direction na yun galing. Dito sa right side dito yung place. Puro industrial dito, oh guys. Kaya nga lang malayo-layo sa bahay. Ayan. Doon banda yung papasokan ko. Malapit na. Pero hindi kami aabot doon kasi nahiya kami. Sinurbay lang namin. Ayan na guys. Yan o. Yan yung company. Dire-diretso yan, kabilaan yung mga building na yan. Hindi lang sila matataas na building. Kasi hindi naman dito hindi naman binabaha. Daming company dito. Yan, mga tools, mga gamit ng sasakyan, kung ano-ano. Finally, nakarating din kami. Hindi biro ang nilakad namin. Siguro more than 1 hour. Okay guys, till next time.